When your throat feels scratchy, your cough won't quit, or your digestion is irritated, Marshmallow Root is your herbal hug in a cup, soft, soothing, and deeply healing. This isn't the sweet white fluff from a campfire. Marshmallow Root is a traditional demulcent herb that coats and calms mucous membranes from the throat to the gut. For best results, we don't use heat. Instead, make a cold infusion by placing 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried marshmallow root in a mason jar with room temperature water. Let it steep for at least 4 hours or overnight in the fridge for a stronger blend. Then strain and sip throughout the day. It has a mild, earthy flavor and a slightly slippery texture, which is exactly what makes it so effective for dry, irritated tissues. Feeling a sore throat or dry, tickly cough? The mucilage in marshmallow root forms a protective coating that relieves pain and calms inflammation. For those with gastric irritation, acid reflux, or IBS, it soothes the digestive tract like a gentle balm, especially when combined with herbs like slippery elm or licorice root. Pro tip: add a little honey and cinnamon to your marshmallow infusion for added taste and extra throat support. Caution: because it can coat the gut lining, take it away from medications or supplements. It may reduce absorption if taken too close together. Marshmallow root is gentle enough for long-term use and powerful enough to bring comfort right when you need it, like nature's own lozenge.